Good afternoon, friends. Today I am coming up with another topic related to Odoo version 17. I am using Odoo 16.4 branch, which has recently released by Odoo. So, the feature which I am going to discuss is loyalty program. And this time, Odoo has done a really awesome job by allowing any company to relate the loyalty program with customers. Previously, it was there in previous version, but after some version, it was discontinued. So what I have done is I have created a loyalty program based on one price list, loyalty one group, and then in which I have defined like every one unit purchase, okay, will grant 1 point, and in exchange they will get 5% of discount against one loyalty point. So that is for loyalty program group 1. And I have created another program, loyalty group program 2, where I have price list mention is loyalty 2 group. Here I have grant the same one unit purchase will grant one loyalty point, and in exchange this group will get 10% discount against one loyalty point redemption. And then in price list what I have done is I have created two different price list. In price list, I have mentioned nothing, but to separate out my customer, and then I have attached this price list to my different customers. Like customer one belong to my loyalty group one, and then customer two belongs to loyalty group two. Now let's see. We are going to create a quotation. So here I am going to create a quotation for customer one. So this price list has been applicable, and then if I am selling anything like 10 units, yeah, 10 units, and then I will say promotion, apply promotion. So based on my promotion it has allowed me to get a discount of 5%. Okay, so you can get 5% discount based on your group, so that is loyalty one group price list. I am creating a new quotation for customer 2, and here I am selling the same product, that is bold, and again same 10 units. And then if I apply promotion, it will grant me 10% discount based on the price list and customer connection. So isn't it a great feature which Odoo is coming up with? Definitely this will allow us to define various type of promotion programs and loyalty programs based on customer groups, based on price list, and then allow it to launch on point of sale, sales, and website everywhere. Hope this will help many people in version 17. Thank you.